everyone, a lot of people have questions about the Mary Kay brow pencils, so today I'm going to talk to you about them, my experience with it, and a little bit of what the company claims that they will do for you. So this product retails for $11. It has a 5-star review. It has 5-star reviews, I should say. It comes with 0.04 ounces and in 3 different colors. Now you're probably wondering why only 3 different colors, but it actually will be darker if you press harder, and if you don't press, if you barely touch the skin, it's going to be lighter. So sometimes you will be able to use the same pencil to create more of an ombre kind of eyebrow if you don't really apply that much pressure to the inner part of your eyebrow. Now Mary Kay claims that this is waterproof, that it will stay all day long, that it will apply smoothly, and that it's going to define your eyebrows. So I feel like a lot of people try to find the perfect eyebrow product for them. And even though there's new formulas like the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade, there's new powders, there's always something that they're coming out with. The pencil is something that is a classic. It's something that it's always there. I feel like it's something really important, otherwise they would get rid of them. It's just something that it's a classic, something that people goes back to, and it's one of the easiest way that you can fill in your eyebrows or define your eyebrows, and it's very, very simple. You don't need many tools. You just need to make sure that you have a very fine point in order to create more of a natural effect on your eyebrows. However, that is the one thing that you should keep in mind. It comes in a wooden pencil, so it will last you for years if you keep it in your collection. But the one thing is that you'll have to sharpen the pencil every time you use it if you want to make it look more natural and defined, and if you don't want it to make it look so harsh. So yeah, you have to have a pencil sharpener to make sure that it works, but the formula itself and the product itself, it really works and it lasts all day long. So those are the things that you have to keep in mind if you were thinking about purchasing this Mary Kay eyebrow pencils. If you have a different experience, or if you want to share your experience with this product, please leave them in the comments down below. If you're new, please remember to subscribe so you won't miss any future videos, and I'll see you on my next one.